Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Christina Delgado here, and I wanted to shoot this quick video because I need to let you guys know that MyEcon, the company that I've been a part of for over a year and a half now, is doing another holiday promotion. Thanks to them, I was able to increase my credit score and purchase this Audi behind me in October of last year. Okay, so not only I was able to learn how to increase my credit score over 125 points, but I was also able to increase my cash flow and pay for this. All thanks to this amazing opportunity, because they just pay out like clockwork. They never miss, because of their compensation plan is like no other. It's like no other. Like, I could send you more information and a video explaining the compensation plan if you would like that. But this video is just to let you know, guys, take advantage now. A lot of people are jumping on board and you don't want to miss this, okay? You don't want to miss this promotion. Everybody's going to want to join because the benefits are amazing. They're going to teach you how to eliminate debt. They're going to teach you, how to increase your cash flow, how to income shift. Income shifting is basically, if you have a job already, they're going to show you how to adjust your W-4 so that you could get an extra $200 to $800 in your paychecks. Guys, this has changed lives in so many ways. Increasing credit, saving money, travel discounts. They also have health products. It's just like so many different ways. And if you take advantage of the team building aspect of it, if you're a great marketer, why not take advantage of the compensation plan, basically? All right, because you're gonna win big. All right, so go ahead, take action today. And I promise you, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. If you use it and use the products and services and build a team, you're gonna see and you're gonna reap the benefits of it and become a part of this amazing community, you guys. Like, our community is the bomb, the best. And we also have amazing training. We have a free marketing system that you're gonna have access to when you become a member of my team today. All right, for only $28, you're gonna get so many bonuses with training on marketing aspect, on how to get the word out, on how to get people to join you in your business. It's gonna help in so many ways. So I'm gonna take my kids shopping and take them to go get some sweaters and take them to go get some coats because it's getting cold out here in Pennsylvania. But I just wanted to shoot this quick video so you guys could know about this. Now is the time. Now is the time. All right, let's have an amazing Christmas. Let's have an amazing Christmas. I can't wait to see, the explosion that's about to happen in MyEcon for real. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. And inbox me if you want to join. I'll go ahead and send you the link, and then you'll get access to the group, to our private group, and training and the marketing system. So there's so many bonuses that it's a no-brainer. You just got to take action. All right, you're not going to be alone. Promise you that. All right, I hope to see you soon and work with you soon. Have a great day. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.